Today we are in the garden and we are going to harvest all the garlic that I planted last November. This is the first year I've ever planted garlic and I honestly did nothing with it. I put the cloves in the ground in November. I didn't even water it once. I just let the rain water it when it rained. It is the easiest crop. And so now it's finally time to harvest. I did actually just harvest one just to check and it looked wonderful. So we're gonna do the rest today. So for garlic, you want the bottom 3 to 4 leaves to have turned brown. We're gonna harvest it and hang it up and let it dry. So basically with garlic, you never want to grab it by the stalk or leaves and just pull up, because then you can rip the roots and you really want to keep the roots on the garlic. So I just have my shovel here and I'm going to go around the sides and kind of push up a little bit. I don't want to break the roots, but I'm just pulling up a little bit to give me some space to then gently tug. Oh, that looks so good.
That looks amazing.
That looks really good.
Look at those roots.
Yeah, so they have really healthy roots. So I'm just gonna get the rest of them up. I planted 17 cloves, so we've got 17 of these to pull up. So I pulled these up right in time. It just started pouring rain. So I'm really thankful that I decided to pull these up today. Not only that, but also because of the splitting. I know for sure now, for next year, this is a learning experience. This is my first year growing garlic. So I love learning new things. This is really exciting for me. So now I'm gonna separate them into bunches. I'm gonna do 4 to 5 each. I'm gonna use this twine. I'm probably not gonna leave them outside right now. It is consistently 80 to 90% humidity here in North Carolina, and that could cause them to rot, and I really don't want that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna put them in one of our closets inside, or I might put them in front of a fan in the garage. So right now, let's just bunch them up into sections. It is 100 degrees out here, probably 120% humidity. Regardless, it's miserably hot here, so we're gonna work smarter, not harder. We're gonna take it inside to complete the process of curing and now storing the garlic. I am really excited to get this all cleaned up and separate for what I'm gonna keep to cook with. Then I'm going to save a few for the rest of the year, and some of my biggest bulbs and healthiest bulbs I'm going to keep to plant again in the fall. So let's take it inside where it's a lot cooler and get these cleaned up.